come down here.
Where do we live?
Luckish Island.
And do you like living here?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about living here?
She's my dog.
Do you love hiking Turtleback?
Yes, 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 yes.
Do you like hanging out with Beatrix?
Yes.
Oh, I left behind my tree.
Do you think we live in paradise? I know we do. Do you like ferry boats?
Yes, 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 yes.
Do you think we live in paradise?
Yes.
It's beautiful here, isn't it? Part about homeschooling is being able to just take your kids and a little lunch, grab your sister, and go on what should be like a 45-minute hike. Turns into a 2.5-hour hike. Yeah, with small kids. Well, I'm blaming them, but honestly,
It's us.
it would have been me.
Yeah, Mom, can I go back up a little bit?
No.
No, you just want to go.
Double sprain ankle. These are cool. Don't tug on.
Did I come to Orcas Island? I came here.
You fell in love.
I fell in love with the boy.
I have stuff to do.
Do you love
Where?
Do you love hiking with Beatrix?
Where?
Yeah.
Is she your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like taking a picnic lunch?
Out of all the Marvels, Beatrix is my favorite one. Hold on.